Hi, my name is Jack Retzinger, and I'm going to be talking about how to recruit a co-founder and a team for your startup. I'm going to first give a quick overview of what we're going to talk about. We're going to start out by talking about the sorts of folks you might be looking for your startup, and then we'll dive right into tactics and approaches you can use to get inbound interest in your company. We'll talk a little bit about how to get people excited for your startup, and then we'll talk about the screening process, how to figure out if someone is a good match and someone you should make an offer to. We'll then cover how you make an offer, and we'll wrap up by covering a few specific issues. One is technical hiring, which can be a little different from more general recruiting. And finally, we'll talk about specifically what you should do when you're looking for a co-founder. Many of the things we're going to be talking about are applicable to both finding a co-founder and finding employees, but there are a few specific issues that are relevant when you're looking for a co-founder to be part of your startup, so we'll talk about that. I want to give a quick background on myself. I am the co-founder of SeatGeek. We are a search engine for sports and concert tickets based in New York City. This is my third startup, and for all three, we built a team, so I have some experience with this. At SeatGeek, we have 17 folks, and I think we have an incredible team, and I just want to talk about some things that we've done that I think have helped us get there. As sort of the overall thesis for this, one thing that's worth keeping in mind is that recruiting is a lot of work. Some people think that you can raise money and spend a few weeks building your team and then move on to more interesting things. That's totally not the case. Recruiting is something that you're always doing. I, as a co-founder, probably spend regularly 30% of my time trying to find new people to add to our team. But if it's a lot of work because it's such an important thing to the success of a startup. And if you invest that time, then the dividends pay off.